Hey guys, so it's day 5 of Vlogtober. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Texas, and Gianna and I were just about to start cleaning this filthy kitchen and get dinner started. So I'd love to show you my little recipe. It's super easy. It's salmon croquettes or salmon cakes. I know you've probably had crab cakes before. It's very similar. You can use the same recipe to do crab cakes, lobster cakes, or any other kind of cakes you want. And it's something that I enjoy eating at least once a week. So why don't we get started cleaning this filthy kitchen.
Shuffling songs by Just Remember on Amazon Music.
That I definitely want to do during Vlogtober or just in October period is I eat oatmeal every single day. I feel like it helps with my milk supply. So I want to make like an oatmeal tea / coffee bar. We have tons of counter space here and it's something I do every day. So why not make it like cute, you know? I have my oats and brown sugar and walnuts and apples and bananas already here, because that's what I like to put in the oatmeal. So all I have to do is find some cute containers and zhuzh it up and, you know, make it a little easier, like assembly line-ish for, you know, every day. Because I think my husband's been eating oatmeal every day too. He's on like a whole foods diet. Just something to kind of brighten your day. Those little things are what makes the difference every day. And it's something you do every day. So I'm going to try to get that done during Vlogtober. So if I do that, I'll take you shopping with me and we'll set it up together. We're going to prep for the salmon cake. Pepper as well. You can use green pepper or red peppers. I got a red pepper. So you got your pepper. You got your panko, you got your mayonnaise, you got your garlic. You can also use already minced garlic, which I might end up using because I don't like garlic fingers. Got your onion, butter for the salmon. You got your eggs. These are all your seasonings. Old Bay is a must-have. Garlic powder you can... Hi! You can or you can't use, that's fine. Creole seasoning, you don't have to use. But the lemon pepper, peppercorn, or just a regular pepper and sea salt, along with the Old Bay, those things you have to have. So what you want to do first is you want to chop the whole onion, half the pepper, and maybe a clove or 2 of garlic. And while you're doing the chopping, you go ahead and season your salmon and put that in the oven. Hey guys, so I had to put Gianna in her carrier. She got a little fussy in the sit me up. So we're gonna go ahead and finish getting dinner ready. So you wanna go ahead and put your salmon in the oven. Now I season this with lemon pepper, sea salt, cracked pepper, and a little bit of the Creole seasoning. I don't put the Old Bay on the salmon because it's gonna go in the mixture once you mix everything together. So I don't really put it on the salmon. So salmon doesn't take long to cook at all, so like 10-15 minutes. Just depends on your oven, whether you put it on 350 or 375. So I'm putting it in at 350. Alexa, can you start the timer for 10 minutes? So yeah, it's at 350, so I'm gonna put it in for 10 minutes and then check on it. So once you get your salmon in the oven, you wanna go ahead and chop up your whole onion, half a pepper, and like I said, you can use green pepper or red pepper, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Actually, probably gonna just use minced garlic since I have her in the carrier, so she doesn't get that like intense smell. Gigi looks super sleepy. I want her awake. I don't want her to sleep in the carrier anymore, so I'm like moving all around, like tickling her, keeping her up, and she's like looking at me like, woman, what are you doing? But the salmon is finished. So I just did 4 little patties. Also, you want to cook your onion and red pepper just a few minutes, just until they're like malleable before you put them in the mixture. So I have that already chopped up and ready to go. Also, your garlic will be in that. I'm just gonna use a minced garlic because I had her really close to everything and the onions were enough. So I'm just waiting for the olive oil to heat up just a little bit, and I'll cook those onions for maybe just 2-3 minutes, just until they're soft. She's so sleepy, poor thing. Almost done, Mama Cakes, I promise. I'm gonna go ahead and flake off the salmon. So you just wanna like, just break it up into little pieces, basically. Just flake it off, flake it off. Mine's nice and buttery. Yours might be a little bit more flaky because I put a lot of butter on mine. Gigi, how sleepy are you? Gigi has fallen asleep at least 3 times now. But this is how your mixture should look when you're done. Nice and seasoned. Like I said, I put the mayonnaise in there. I did end up using 3 eggs for those 4 salmon patties. Actually like 2/3 of the panko instead of 1/3 of the panko. So this is how it should look. As you can see, you're gonna be forming patties like this. So, but it does so much better if you just let it sit in the fridge for like a couple hours before you actually cook it. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and go ahead and put her down for a nap, and I'll see you guys in a few. So after your mixture sits, you're gonna form hand-sized patties, flatten them a bit, and then fry them in a little bit of Crisco, not too much. You don't need to deep fry them. About 3 minutes on each side, doesn't take long at all. They're so delicious. I love eating crab cakes and salmon cakes in the fall. It's the perfect fall food. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and cleaning up the kitchen with me today. If you love mommy and baby channels, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos so that you can make sure you see our next upload. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.